Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you super cute and easy ways to style short mini twists. I'm going to link the video on how to do these mini twists in the description box. My twists are about a week old now, but they're still holding up really well. So for the first style, I started by sectioning off the front part of my hair into two sections. They were not quite even, but I worked with that. And I'm just made two cute little puffs with these sections, and I used a rubber band to just secure them at the base. I made sure not to pull too tightly to avoid any tension on my twist. So once the puffs were secure, I just left the rest of my twist in the back hanging freely. And to give the look a cleaner and more polished finish, I applied a little shine and gem to my edges, and then I gently smoothed the product in with my fingers and my comb just to lay down the flyaways and add a little bit of a sleek touch. So it's super simple and perfect if you just want a simple playful everyday look. For the second style, I kept it really simple. I just sectioned a small portion of twist at the very front to create a faux fringe or bang area. The rest of the twist, I gathered them into a mid-level ponytail at the back, and I used a rubber band to secure the ponytail to just make sure the twist set nice and neatly. And for the faux fringe or bang area, I just use a bobby pin to just make them secure. And that's all. I just love this style, and I love how it frames the face so nicely while keeping most of the hair pulled back and off the neck. It's lightweight and very cute. For the third style, I went for a twist crown look. I started on the left side, and I began taking small sections and loosely twisting them across my hairline from left to right. As I twisted, I picked up additional twists along the way to create like a continuous crown effect across the front of the head. Once I reached the other side, I tucked the end of the crown twist under a few twists and secured it with a bobby pin. So to elevate this simple look even more, I added some gold hair accessories along the crown twist. For the next style, I simply took the rest of the twist and then I gathered them into a puff updo, and I secured them with a rubber band. For the next style, I decided to have a little more fun. I picked up about 4 twists at the front to create some front bangs, and then I used my stretchy headband to pull back and secure the rest of the twist. The headband also helps to push the twist upward and just give them more volume. After that, it was time to add some beads. You know I love beads. So I used my bead applicator to just slide a few colorful beads into the twist at the front. So the beads, they added a little bit of weight to just make the front bangs hang beautifully, and they made the entire style feel a lot fuller and more playful. I really love this one. This is my favorite. For the last style, I simply did 2 cornrow style braids toward the back that I secured with a bobby pin. And to finish the look, I added a few gold cuffs and accessories along the cornrows just to highlight the design and make the braids pop a little bit more. And I left the rest of the mini twist in the back loose and flowing naturally. And that's it for today. 6 super easy, fun and stylish ways to rock your short mini twist on natural hair. I hope you find a style or maybe a few that you want to try next. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural hair tutorials, and drop a comment in the comment section to just let me know which style was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.